Good morning.
Good morning. We're out at the pool deck.
It's
Already
a
got
sea
my
day.
towels. Already got my towels.
She already got her towel.
Ready.
We're back there. We're not hogging chairs.
No,
we're just
we're
going to
ready.
get some
We're
coffee.
ready.
We'll sit back on our chairs and drink our morning java.
Yeah, we're gonna have a very relaxing day. Right, love?
I don't know about that.
Yes.
Anyway, I stayed up till 3 o'clock in the morning.
He did. He's
It's
bad.
only 8 now.
Bad boy.
Bad boy.
And go down to that casino.
I did. I did okay.
Okay. He always says, okay, broke even.
You don't need to know.
He lost all his money. He lost
No,
his
I
house.
didn't. No. She cussed.
I'm sorry. I usually don't cuss, especially on here. I'm so sorry.
Shame
Sorry.
me, shame. All right,
Sorry.
I'm going to have to get off of here. Someone's getting a whipping. See you in a little bit.
Okay.
Bye.
All right. Forget about it. Yeah, we're good. We're good.
Calm before the storm again. Already got our towels. Terry just left me. She got a spanking and now she's leaving me. Nasty mouth. Alright, we already had the radiance of the seas go by us. Now we got the enchantment of the seas, both heading back to Tampa. Where are we going, love?
We're not going. We're already here.
I knew you were going to say that. Where are we?
We're at the diamond party at the Leonardo Lounge.
The Leonardo Lounge. she got a peach impediment.
Leonardo.
Leonardo.
No, I do.
Oh,
I can't say it.
That's why I love
No,
it.
he says
Makes-
it.
Are those mini lobster rolls?
Which one?
Lobster
Shrimp.
I'll take it.
We do.
We're sharing. Thank you.
Simon says, eat one.
Yeah. We take a couple of those. I'm gonna bite it. I'll take a two. And
You didn't say Simon. Simon says.
Simon says.
Simon says, eat one.
I'm okay.
Can I have one of your tacos, Oliver?
Kind of personal. Oliver, what you got there? What you got?
What do you got, Oliver?
What you got, Oliver?
Tacos?
Taco and cauliflower.
Tacos. Those are little tiny tacos.
Tiny tacos.
What is that?
Beef
Stop. What is that?
It's beef tartar.
What is it?
It's beef tartar.
Oh, I don't know. Dang it. Christmas tree on a plate.
Strawberry.
For only 30 years. Yes, and I'm the complex.
We are on the Carnival Paradise on our balcony, and what a beautiful day it is out here today. Look at the seas, almost completely flat. No motion in the ocean today. Hey babe, where are we going?
We're not going. We're here at dinner now. There's our waitress right there. She's really good. I took a picture of her. I take a picture of everybody. But we're here at dinner. We're very hungry.
And she don't even care if people got clothes on. She just takes
Hey,
pictures of them.
stop.
She don't care.
We're here. Everybody's
All right,
here.
all the
We gotta
weirdos
go.
are starting to arrive here
Yeah,
at the
they're
table.
here.
So
We gotta go.
we got like 22 of us. So.
Gotta go.
All right, we'll bring it to you, the menu and all.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
I didn't.
Are you getting?
I was up too late last night.
My baby got a grilled cheese sandwich like a child. I wish I could eat it. And I got mushroom soup. All right, my second appetizer, shrimp cocktail, and Third appetizer, seafood salad. Yum, yum.
There's no fucking way. I said that last night, and then he didn't.
You told him he wasn't very good last night.
I did. And then he stop it.
Fucking what? Oh my!
Stop.
What is going on? What just happened? But you can't give yourself a raise.
Careful, she punches.
Shouldn't you know?
She punches. Yeah.
Which is the right hand? This is the right hand. This is the right hand. This one?
No.
Put it up. Bring your left hand straight and point to anybody.
Point to anybody?
Anybody.
Point to me.
This guy? Hold on your hand. What do you see?
What?
Cross. Show it to other people.
That was his spit, by the way.
It's not in my
What's your name?
hand.
Teresa.
Vanessa.
Vanessa. Vanessa, your fish was raised on the time. You never came close to the fish?
Did you? No.
You never touched the fish?
No.
All right, Terry got the prime rib and a baked potato. I got the salmon, and I got a baked potato coming.
Biryani is from the crew dining area. Stan the man hooked us up, and this is the crew food, and it's spicy Indian, and I love it. My favorite food. I love
That
it.
came from the actual crew.
Yes.
All right, Terry got the
Creme brulee.
what is that?
Creme brulee.
Cream brulee, which is nothing but a plate of sugar. And I got a banana split with really brown bananas. really brown bananas. This is only day 2. Okay.
Hello.
It was really a relaxing day, but when some dummy stayed up till 3 o'clock this morning, he's tired. So it's like 10 till 10, and we're ready to call it a night.
Yeah, because we're both, no, he said I couldn't say I'm tired, so we're both ready to go to bed. I might even make a show of David tonight, but I'm going to the room where I
Love
can
that
get some
David.
quiet. This ship has been so loud today.
It is louder. Anyway, so we're not real pleased with the Paradise this time. They're out of Mick Ultra.
No Mick Ultra. And he had on
Can't
his
get
Mick
a-
Ultra shirt.
Yep, and look, I
and
can
he
get my
couldn't
Mick
get a
Ultra
Mick
shirt
Ultra.
on and
So
can't get
what's
a
up
damn
with
Mick
that?
Ultra.
I told him,
Oh, what's
waiter,
that, Dan?
I said, you know what? I'm getting him another shirt.
No, I don't like any other beer. But anyway, so you saw our day. It was a lazy day. And just a cool day. Tomorrow we're going to
Then-
Cozumel, going to Mr. Sancho's.
And then we went to the bar for our closing video, and we ordered a chocolate martini.
They don't have any
They're out of cream.
out of the cream stuff
and
to make it.
Kahlua, and no bar here can make.
And
a
no
chocolate
bar
martini.
can make it.
Could not make a chocolate martini.
Yep. So between the Mick Ultra and no chocolate martinis, we had to resort to our old roots.
Ice cream.
Ice cream.
baby.
And, hold that, hold my beer.
Oh, we don't have beer.
And-
Our martini.
And the one thing we still drink once in a while is hot chocolate, because
Double fist in it.
hot chocolate is good. That's mine. She's such a Bogart. But anyway, so
You're welcome.
when I get my review for this ship this time, you're welcome. This time it's going to get a bad review because we've had a lot of bad things happen on here.
Yeah.
But anyway,
We're going to make a list.
yep. And we're going to check it twice.
Probably will.
And we're going to find out that the ship has
I
been
just
naughty.
lost $50.
Not nice.
I lost $50.
And she lost $50 at the
He
casino.
lost
We're going to complain
100.
about that too.
He lost 100.
I did lose.
So I don't want to go in there and gamble to lose.
I know, we go to win. This is bull crap.
Because we're winners.
All right, so anyway, we're
not
boring
tonight,
them.
we're not
We're boring
winners.
them.
We're not
We're going
winners
to bed.
tonight.
And
No.
I'm very sleepy.
All right.
So anyway,
You said I couldn't say I'm sleepy.
I know you're not allowed to say you're tired. I can though, because I
I'm
never
gonna
say
go watch
that.
David.
I'm gonna go night night.
David.
All right. So anyway, we'll see you tomorrow. We'll bring Mr. Sancho's to you, and that'll be on tomorrow's naturally. All righty.
Cheers. No.
Lick 'em if you got 'em.
What?
Oh, and smoke 'em if you got 'em. I don't know.
He don't know what he's saying.
Good night.
He's tired.
Say good night.
Good night. Night.
Good night.
Good night.
Good night.